Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. We do a bunch of Afropop, Afrobeats reviews. Definitely check out the rest of the content on this channel. Alright, today we are looking at a former contestant on Big Brother, a reality show. We have Veeiye. Well, we knew her as V, but I think her stage name is Veeiye, maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong how I'm supposed to pronounce her name, but I think it's V. I knew her as V, like I've always loved her as V. Since coming out of the house, she released one song. I think it was this song, or there's another song that she released. Was it the song she released? Yeah, it was this song she released. Right. I remember enjoying the song. It's been a minute since I actually heard it, but I remember liking it and having a positive outtake of it. I knew her very well. She and Lekon were definitely having moments in the house, showing very well in the house that they were two of the most musically inclined contestants in the house. And Lekon has come out to have his own career. V is also coming out here, and I think she has an EP that I definitely need to tap into. But yeah, today we're looking at the visuals for the song Show. It's been a long time I heard the song Show, so it'd be nice to get like a quick reminder of how the song was, and then we'll continue to look at the visuals as well. Alright, so this is V Show. Let's go. Mado. She has her own back gang. Oh yeah. Feels that did the beat. Yeah, this is it. Hey. Come on. I like the slur. Oh shit, me. Oh shit. That scene is mad. The backdrop on that scene. Yeah, this scene is clean. The fit is fly as well. Let's go. Otifa Jedi. Okay. Yeah, I remember this. Hey. Killing this show. Okay.
First off, let me smell so good. Your thing, they make my body run. You make my head spin up because
okay.
You shoot all the shots with your gun.
Hey, shoot all the shots with your gun. Hey, that's what you call a euphemism. Okay, a euphemism.
For money follow. Can't you see the butterflies in my belly? Can't deny
another 16 again.
You're too sweet, honey daddy.
You're too sweet, Jenny.
Swear to God, I've been lying.
Hey, you're the hook. That bass. Hey, killing this show. Hey. It's a nice production-driven hook there. I like it. Very simple. Clean record. Nice. Very short. Under 3 minutes. Okay. Unlimited LA. Mad. Not a bad record. I remember thinking the song was actually solid, and honestly it is a solid record. Phil's brought his A game. It's kind of like a mid-tempo kind of vibe, and especially how minimalist she was on the hook and letting a lot of the production carry the weight on the hook. I enjoyed it. A lot of horns there that were so subtle, but honestly had such a strong presence too. Her verses were kind of cheeky, kind of fun. Obviously a common subject matter that we see often, about love and how much she really likes this guy that she's talking about. Honestly, this is not a bad way to kick off a career. since leaving the house, having visuals and then an EP. I really need to take my time and check out that EP. Obviously a big fan of this record. It's very easy on the ear. I'm curious what you guys think about it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.